Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my best friend is back, and this time we are going to be adding color, doing a retwist and a style. So stay tuned. So this is what her hair looks like before we start everything. We have the clips in her hair because the clips are showing me what hair that she wants colored. So I went ahead and already started coloring some of her hair. We are actually doing two colors. So this first color, it looks orange, but it's a copper color. I'm sorry I did not show y'all how I, started the coloring process, but I will leave in the description below what box it was, what specific color it was, and everything. But I do have many different videos on how I colored my hair, and this shows from the start on how to actually mix your color and everything. So I'm just massaging the color into her locks because locks are a little bit thicker than just regular hair. So I want to make sure that the color is going to stay in her hair. So I am using aluminum foil to go ahead and cover the hair because I don't want that color to get on her brown hair that she wants to keep brown. So the next color we are going to use is a light golden blonde, and this particular color is from Dark and Lovely, and the other copper color was from L'Oreal High Color Highlights, and that's the brand that I used to use for my magenta color, but we use that for the copper, and then we're using Dark and Lovely for this blonde color.
Ryan Little.
Okay, and I just want to show you one more time a close-up of how I am putting color in her locks, just applying it to the hair and then just kind of rubbing it in just to make sure that the color is going to stay in there. I'm trying to do from roots to end and just make sure that you massage it into the hair, and then once you're done, go ahead and take your aluminum foil and just wrap it up. So I left the color in her hair for about 30 minutes, and then I just went ahead and took out the aluminum foil, and this is her reaction.
Oh my god, it is bright.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
The blonde, like you say, but the blonde still look good.
Yes.
But I thought it was gonna be like just a little bit more bright.
Me too.
But it still look good.
Yeah.
It goes with my brown and everything.
Yeah. So after rinsing out the color and conditioning the hair, this is what it looks like, and we are going to go ahead and start the retwisting process. So my way of retwisting, I do it all. I do it with the comb, I just palm roll, I just do it with my fingers. It just depends on the twist for me. So you do whatever is best for you. And I am going to show you a few different twists that I do so you don't have to like stop and rewind. You could just keep going because I'm showing you a lot of twists that I am retwisting. So I'm starting with this one in the back, and then I'm just making her parts a little bit straighter, but her parts aren't even bad at all. So that just makes it so much more easier. And I will go ahead and link all the products that I am using in the description box. So I'm just taking a little bit of product and I am applying it to her roots. And I am just going to take the comb and retwist her hair in a circular motion. Now this took me a while to even know how to do. So I still go really slow when I'm doing this, so just take your time with this. It's gonna take some time to learn it because it definitely took time for me. But I just retwisted about 3 times, and the remaining hair, I just twist it around the rest of the lock, and then I go ahead and put a clip on it, and that is it. So with this twist, I am doing the same method with the comb, but at the end, I'm just wrapping it around itself like I did with the first, and then I am palm rolling it. If y'all have any questions about her hair or just locks in particular, or have questions about retwisting your own hair or someone else's hair, just let me know down below in the comments. I do not mind answering any of y'all's questions.
Ryan Little.
So with this particular twist, as you can see, I didn't use a comb at all. This is how I did it when I first started retwisting locks. I would just grab the roots and then just start twisting with my fingers and then just palm rolling it all the way down. So at the front of her hair, I did use just a little bit of gel so that her edges could lay down a little bit flatter, but I still did go ahead and use the twisting cream, well, the twisting gel that I was using, and then I just go ahead and twist it as normal.
Ryan Little.
All right, y'all, so this is the end product. We twisted all of her hair, and I just love how a fresh retwist looks. So she did go ahead and sit under the dryer for about 30 minutes, and then we're just gonna go ahead and take the clips out.
Ryan Little.
So I am just loving how her color came out. I'm loving how her retwist looks. I'm just loving everything right now. So she showed me a video of how she wanted her hair done. So this was my first time actually doing this, but I think it was a success. But this is how we are going to start. I start with the 2-strand twist. And once I do that 2-strand twist, I hold it in place in the middle of her head. And then I take a twist from the left side. And then I go ahead and twist it around the big twist in the middle. Then I take a twist from the right side and twist it around the twist that's in the middle. So I just keep holding that big twist in the middle in place and take hair from the opposite side and wrap it around the middle until I get all the way to the top.
Ryan Little. Ryan Little.
So I did this until we got to the middle of her hair because we were doing something else with the front of the hair. But this is what it looks like in the back. And I just put a rubber band around it to hold it in place. And now I'm just going to take all the hair together, the hair that's in the front and the hair that I put in the rubber band, and put it in a hair tie. As you can see, I left one piece out, but I'm going to go ahead and put that in just a second. And what you see me doing is just pulling some of the locks just to make sure that it's not bunched up in the hair tie. But what we are going to do in the front is that we are just going to take each lock that is out and we are going to bend it like a loop, like you're tying your shoe. But when we put it in that loop, we just take the ends and put a rubber band around it so it could stay in that loop shape. So You just take the lock, put it in the loop like that, take your rubber band, put it at the base of the hair. And I just continue to do that all the way throughout the rest of her hair. All right, y'all, so that is it. I am all done, and there's my dog in the background who just wanted to be on camera. But this is the end result. I absolutely love it. She loves it. We love how it came out. We love the color. We love the style. Please let me know what y'all think down below. Let me know if you'll try this style, or just let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and share this video with someone that you think will like it. And thank you all for watching, and I will see you all on the next video.